Good morning for today's videos guys. Nandito po tayo sa Palmarial, Binyan City, Laguna. Ang ganda ng panahon guys. Ayan, maaliwalas. Napakaganda ng tanawin guys. Ayan guys. Napakaganda ng tanawin. Mag-long video tayo guys. Ayan, mag-long video tayo guys para makita natin ang kagandahan ng Palmarial Village. Ayan guys, napakagandang tahimik ang kapaligiran guys. Ayan guys, ayan yung ating for today's videos, ang ating kapaligiran. Ayan guys, diba guys, ang ganda. Ayan guys, please kapag yung bahay mo malapit sa may puno kasi malamig. Yan guys, taas niya, ang taas ng puno na yan guys, yun, diba, super taas, kaya napakaganda dito, saka maaliwalas. Good morning sunshine, good morning, happy Friday morning everyone. Good morning all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world guys. Ayan. So guys, ayan, hanggang dito lang ating long videos. Thank you everyone. Please like and share, please comment, please subscribe to my channel. Sa pag-like nyo lang po at sa pag-share ng aking live at comment. Ayan, laking tulong na po sa akin yan. Bye bye guys, bye bye everyone, I love you all, see you, bye bye.